In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a gift card product in Shopify. Gift cards are a great way to increase sales and give your customers more flexibility. So let's walk through the process step by step inside your Shopify admin. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center where you manage products, orders, customers, and everything else related to your store. Once you're on the dashboard homepage, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. From that left-hand menu, click on Products. This is where all of your existing items live, and it's also where you'll create anything new, including gift cards. When the Products page loads, you'll see different product types and options. At the top of that Products area, you'll find a tab or link labeled Gift Cards. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the dedicated gift card section, where you can manage existing gift card codes and create new gift card products for customers to purchase. On the gift cards page, look for the button that says Add Gift Card Product and click it. This opens the setup page for your new gift card product. At the top of this page, you'll see an empty title field. Type in the name you want to give your gift card, for example, Online Store Gift Card, or something that fits your brand. Just below the title, you'll find the description field. Use this space to explain how the gift card works, any limitations, and how customers will receive and redeem it. Clear, helpful descriptions can reduce support questions later. Next, scroll down until you find the media section. Here you can upload a new image or select an existing one from your library. Choose an image that visually represents a gift card or matches your brand style. This image will appear on the product page, so make sure it looks professional and clear. Below that, locate the denominations section. This is where you decide the amounts you want to offer, such as different price options customers can choose from. Add as many denominations as you need, and think about what typical order values are in your store, so the amounts feel practical. Now scroll to the bottom of the page to find the search engine listing section. Click the small pen icon to edit this. Here you'll set how this gift card product appears in Google search results. Enter a clear page title for search engines and add a short meta description that explains what the gift card is and why someone might want it. This helps with SEO and gives potential customers more context. When you're happy with everything, go back to the top or bottom of the page and click Save. Shopify will create your new gift card product, and it will be ready to add to your store's collections or navigation so